I think I deserve some brownie points for teaching you so many idioms. No, brownie points doesn't refer to this type of brownies, but it may as well. Meaning of the English idiom brownie points. You get brownie points for doing something good. So brownie points refers to credit, praise, or admiration someone gets for doing a good deed or for doing something nice.
Trying to score brownie points with your sister.
Important usage notes. Brownie points are an imaginary system of reward, and the idiom is usually used tongue-in-cheek. And when somebody does something for the purpose of getting brownie points, then the idiom becomes pejorative. For example, someone may try to get brownie points from their boss by being a brown-noser. It was originally used to refer to someone who was seeking credit by doing something, as in, she's looking for brownie points. Of course, it can still be used that way today, but it's also more generally used to refer to praise or imaginary credit. If a husband gets brownie points from his wife, she might allow him more leeway when he screws up again. The term brownie points is commonly associated or used with several different verbs. You can say, get brownie points, score brownie points, or earn brownie points. You can also use any similar verb. Examples of use. Don't I get some brownie points for being nice to your aunt while she was here? The lady is insufferable. I offered to drive my mother-in-law to her doctor's appointment, hoping to score some brownie points. You don't get brownie points for showing up. You have to try hard. Telling your audience what they want to hear may get you some brownie points, but you aren't doing them any favors. Origin of idiom. The term brownie points comes from a division of the Girl Scouts called the Brownies. These are the youngest junior Girl Scouts, girls in the 2nd or 3rd grades, so around ages 7 to 9. Brownie points refer to the system of credits or awards the Brownies got for various achievements. However, I don't think the reward system is called brownie points today. The term brownie points passed into general use sometime during the mid-1900s.